Hello everyone. Test automation has become integral part of most of the software development projects. But are we doing automation in the most efficient and effective way? Is there anything we can do to make test automation more efficient and effective? Let's explore. Software testing, in my opinion, is a sampling exercise. However, often we do not increase our sample size with test automation. Automation scripts often follow same steps with same set of data. As a result, they rarely find defects after few runs, and defects which are not there on the execution path or data that we are using in the automation are never found with the automation. However, if we add a little bit of randomness, we increase our chances of finding new defects or interesting information with every execution. If we use random data, every execution will have potential to uncover something new, something unexplored. Randomization can improve our sample size because every execution will be different. Despite its benefits, randomization is still not commonplace. One of the main reasons for this is the lack of infrastructure around it. In order to use randomization effectively, we should be able to generate data. We should be able to log every data combination. We should be able to repeat specific combinations if needed. And we should be able to infer meaningful information from the data used by automation. This is what we intend to provide with TestSpicer. TestSpicer provides infrastructure around test data and makes it easier to consume random data in test automation projects. It's extremely easy to start using random data with TestSpicer. After getting API key from TestSpicer, you can start calling appropriate API to get the data you need. Everything else will be taken care of. From data generation to logging to insight, TestSpicer will provide everything as a service. Let's take an example and assume that you are working with Java. TestSpicer is a RESTful web service, and so you can use framework like REST Assured to get the data you need. You can issue a GET request to the endpoint like /string/en500 and get 500 character long random string. If you need to get 100 character long string, just change the length. It's as simple as that. We currently support strings, Unicode, dates, age, currency, credit cards, and are adding more data types constantly. Let us know if you would like us to cover anything specific, and we will try our best to get support for data you need. TestSpicer is a RESTful web service, which means it is language, platform, or tool agnostic. You can use TestSpicer with any tool, language, or platform. You can explore our API at testspicer.com/docs. We hope TestSpicer will make it easier for you to use randomization in your projects and will make your automation more effective. Hope you find TestSpicer interesting and useful for your projects. Please get in touch if you have any questions or feedback. Thank you for your time and attention.